Separate nature. A Bad Shah entrusted his son to a teacher and asked him to train him as he would his real son. The teacher trained him very hard for many years, but there was no effect on the prince. And he remained the same. During this time, the teacher's sons became scholars and scholars of the highest rank. The king reprimanded the teacher and angrily said, "You have broken your promise and did not fulfill the condition of loyalty." The teacher asked, "Bad Shah Salamat, I have trained the prince and my son equally. But what is the remedy for this, that this natural ability of man is separate? The prince had no natural ability, so could not get anything. My children had natural talent, so they became successful. Gold comes from silver rock. But gold and silver do not come out of every stone. Result: everyone's nature is different.